Okay, I've got the camera up.
Sorry, do it. Do it. Just do it. Just do it. Oh, no! No! Oh, no! Stop!
Your beautiful clean coat! Is he going to do the other side? Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's the spot. Right there. He accidentally went over then. He went from white to bright brown.
Pink toast society, you reckon?
Yeah, maybe. What's Leo doing? You gonna roll too, Leo? It's gone again. Look at his face. You done?
Want to come over here again?
Oh, this is heartbreaking. Leo's confused. He's just spaz. Is he gonna roll again? No, done?